Hey guys, we're at a beautiful beach house here in Malibu, California. Here with my friend Steve from Manhattan Millworks, one of the best in the business in terms of supply and installation of woodwork, doors, plenty of custom stuff. Steve, talk us through what's going on here with this pocket in this master bath.
Well, we had a couple of challenges here. This particular pass-through did not have a door on the plans. The best suited hardware for this application was pocket door hardware, and cavity slider happens to be one of our favorites. It adapted quite nicely. We were able to put a door and create some privacy in this bathroom, and the hardware that was afforded to us interface with all the different other inherent architectural conditions that are in here, which is full wall cladding everywhere, and we needed something that was compact and very efficient, and the cavity slider product worked perfect for the application. We had some inherent challenges. We have a raked roof on one side, ceiling, and a flat ceiling on the other. We have cabinets on the other side here, but we were able to, without a whole lot of engineering, use off-the-rack cavity slider parts and make this system work, and I think everybody's been happy ever since.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Laurie.